Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be drawing a very easy butterfly using mandala art technique. So let's get started. After drawing the butterfly, we have to start tracing its outline using a sketch pen or a marker. After tracing the outer lines using marker, we have to use a glitter pen to trace the inner outlines. Now for the first design, we have to use a normal 10 rupees pen. So first we have to start making from the vertical lines. After finishing the vertical lines, we have to make some horizontal line near it. After making the second design, we have to fill the between part of the two lines using a black marker. Now for the third design, we have to make some vertical lines of equal size and then fill it with a black marker. For the sixth design, first we have to make a flower and then continue it by making some curves over it. Now for the seventh design, we have to make the crisscross and then fill the squares using a black color in an alternative way. Mandala art is just about filling the design in the any shape which you want. So you can even make the designs with your own. It's just about your creativity and your imagination. Now for the body of the butterfly, we have to color it using the black color. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy drawing!